So we're way to Lake McClure in Snelling, California for a 2-day camping. And you will notice there's already the tributary of the lake here. And the place is real rural. And what is so funny is the name of this street is Hornitos.
Hornitos!
Hornitos means
Hornititos!
people here are horny.
With horny toes and
Right.
hornititos.
Look at the lake, very nice lake. Beautiful sunset.
We still have to go to Merced Falls. This is Merced Falls. Kaya pala sabi niya, don't turn right.
We're a little bit lost.
I'm scared.
But the scenery is really nice.
Organic brewed coffee.
Coffee. Central Valley, California. Horny toes.
Kasi Bisaya ko na coffee.
This is reminiscent of the years of the, what is that? The book.
Just put it up there. Lagi. Hi!
We are at the entrance of Lake McClure. So are you, how do you feel
Cameras
now?
are in use. Cameras in use.
Well,
Okay.
it's 8 o'clock. We were
We finally made it. I got lost like 5 times.
No,
Okay, twice.
just one.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Well, we were not lost, really, because that was the
Yeah.
office.
Mm.
We were lost thrice.
I don't want to walk.
Tignan mo yung
Pagsibutoy, amen, amen.
Oh, Jay is here.
Say, I say,
Ay, Ginoo pa so kalag sa purgatory, amen, amen.
look at Daddy. This is nice, huh? Oh, the stone, the big stone.
Mommy, I can't.
And the lake is down there.
There are animals over here.
I think that we pitch the tent here para may shade.
Viewers sa Sky Cable Channel 22, the Beautiful Heart Show. We are about to pitch our tent here in our campsite. This is quite a real simple tent. Okay. And how?
Huh?
Yeah, I did.
He did. I didn't do it.
Say, can you how did we do it last
Okay.
time?
So, first, we...
You go under the tree.
Why not?
Over there.
While they're getting ready, look at the beautiful sights. It's not that steep, but it's beautiful. Sometimes you can see some
Did you
animals
follow
hiding through the
instruction?
critters.
No. We're men. We did not follow instructions.
Okay.
So, while they're getting ready, I'm just gonna see you later.
Okay. So we're trying to figure out how we can pitch this. Of course, with the help and ingenuity of Cyril. This is a small one. Do you think this is the one? I don't think. Did we use the same? Yeah, but how come it's thicker?
It's the same length. Apart. Oh, crap.
Are the same? Yeah, I think so.
Side, go a little bit this way. No. So the shade.
Wait, we have to put...
Oh, everything.
Yeah, we have. It's easy to move anyway later. Yes. Okay. How many more?
I don't really know.
There's a,
More?
yeah, there's one more.
history. Let's see over here, shall we? Be careful because you might fall. Let's go over here. And you can just go swim in the lake. Wow, so. And tomorrow we might be swimming in the lake. I think the lake is way down there somewhere. Let's see.
Wait, I think remember there's some that go in weird places.
How many?
5 and then there's some that
Did it take us all
yes, like an hour.
before?
Uh-huh.
Well-
What with Louis with us? No,
No.
just us.
Yeah.
But we think
We'll see you
Louis-
later.
We're almost through. Right, Sai?
Ow.
And in the morning here at Lake McClure.
McClure.
Uh-huh. And
See, it's
Kathleen is having her cookout. And we have a nice sunshine here.
the okay water.
Down there is the lake. And look at the big chunk of chicken barbecue. Mga televiewers, sa Beautiful Heart Show, maayong buntag diya sa atong mga kaila sa Davao. Nami diri sa Lake McClure. You can see the lagoon. And it's man-made. Is that man-made? Maybe. So, later on, Kathleen and I will swim. Come on. Okay.
See you later.
See you later. Hi. Mabuhay. This is man-made, I think. It's a little bit muddy, especially here.
Sandy,
Muddy.
muddy, slippery. Hi, Kath. Say hello to the televiewers of.
Hi, BFA.
Osai.
Where, on the side or in the middle? Yes, it's cold. Colder once you cross. Cold.
Even luckier in the Philippines because we have our own hot spring. Here it's natural faucet that is draining the lagoon. It would be nice if this is hot. See, I got massage here.
It's so deep. It's so deep.
I don't know if it recycles back.
That water clean.
We are leaving our camping site back to San Francisco, and you will notice that the rocks here seem to be growing